You know what? I don't know if I've shared this with you guys, but I think my purpose on earth is to help raise children. Some of the comments are like, how can his mother, you know, do that? Send him to Canada for another woman? Because for one thing, I'm not just another woman. I'm Jen, and I am a woman of God, and I am a good woman who loves him. And this is a better opportunity for him. It brings tears to my eyes because I'm so honored to be his bonus mom, you know. Look at mommy! Are you having fun? Woo! Here, let mommy take a picture, Raj. Let mommy take a picture. Hold on. Oh, it's slippery, eh? We'll come back with your boots and your gloves, okay? Hold on. Hold on. Mommy's going to take a picture.